A few weeks ago, we got a little sneak peek at a new battery case for the iPhone XS and XS Max from Apple. Well, now we have them. They're here. Let's go and take a closer look. So if you remember the iPhone 6s and 7 battery cases, this is basically that, but for the iPhone XS and XS Max. There are also a few new additions and changes that make it better suited for these newer phones. But overall, they still feel very similar. They're still that silicone case that you would expect from Apple. If you've ever used one of their colored cases, it's almost exactly the same material inside and out. It's very grippy to the touch and protects the entire phone all the way around, so should be protected from drops and it should be easier to hold. Instead of just being flat on the back though, you do have this little hump. Now it's not centered in the middle like it used to be, it's more towards the bottom. This is definitely something you kind of have to get used to, but it is nice that the weight is on the bottom of the phone so it doesn't feel top heavy. It's easy to hold even though these are kind of chunky, so you definitely have to adjust the way you hold the phone. Some of the changes that I actually like a lot, there's no chin at the bottom anymore. It just looks a lot better, although you do get this kind of asymmetrical lightning port at the bottom. It seems like it's placed really far back, but in order to be able to plug into your phone and plug into the case at the same time, you can't really line them up. It makes sense, but it looks kind of funny. But still, not having that chin makes the case overall more sleek and kind of fits in with the iPhone XS design language. Now, my absolute favorite addition to these cases is wireless charging. So the iPhone XS and XS Max, you can wirelessly charge them. You just place them down on a charging pad, they start to charge. When you put this case on, it doesn't affect that in any way. You can just place the phone with the case on onto that wireless charger and it will start charging. Now out of the box, there was no charge in these cases. So if you pick one up for yourself and you're not thinking it works, just plug it in and give it a little bit of time. It should start working. And there's no physical controls on the case at all. You don't have the ability to turn off the case if you wanted to do that, but you can see the status of how much charge is in the case and your phone if you go into the widget in the notification center. Now, of course, what really matters here is battery life. It is a battery case after all. They both have 1369 milliamp hour batteries inside. Now that might sound small, but it should still give you quite a bit more battery life than you would get just on its own. And the fact that you don't have to carry a battery bank with you or plug anything in, it's just a little bit more convenient. Although you are kind of going to have to pay for it. It is $130 for each of these. It's definitely on the higher side, but hey, it's an Apple product. So what do you think? Are these cases worth $130? Is that extra battery life worth it to you? Let us know in the comments below. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Matt Gonzalez with the Apple Circle, and see you next time.